Hello everyone, today I'm going to make salted egg.
Traditionally, it is made by coating the egg with a thin layer of charcoal paste or mud. Pero pwede rin naman by soaking the egg in brine. Here in Brazil, it's difficult to find duck eggs, so I'm going to use chicken eggs. The taste and texture is a little bit different, but still a good substitute. So let's get started. Ito yung camera natin. In a saucepan, maglagay ng 1 liter ng tubig.
Nag-record yan daw.
Oh, may cinnamon.
And bring
Recording na ba to?
bring to boil. Kasama kita.
Yan sinabi. Ulitin mo.
Okay, so bago tuluyang kumulo, maglalagay tayo ng 4 slices of ginger, isang cinnamon sticks, 2 star anise, and 7 pieces of cloves.
Kahit dalawa lang sa mga spices na yon, pwede rin naman. That will make the egg more fragrant, and the heat will speed up the brining process.
Pag nakakulo na, isi-simmer naman natin ito for 5 minutes. And we will going to add 200 grams of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. At hahaluin natin ito hanggang matunaw.
So, 5 minutes simmer, then we will going to cool it down completely. At arrange na rin natin ang ating itlog sa jar. Be careful na walang magkakrak kahit isa, kahit maliit.
Pag malamig na ang ating brine, ibuhusin natin ito sa ating eggs.
Ayan. See? Nilagay na yung ating itlog at saka tatakpan. Okay. So, our egg is fully submerged sa ating brine. And that's it! Maghihintay na lang tayo ng 3 to 4 weeks at ready to cook na ang ating salted egg. Okay, so after 3 weeks of brining, iboboil na natin ito.
Isasalang natin ito hanggang sa kumulo for 15 minutes at ready to eat na to. Iba to sa nakasanayan ko ng matikman na salted egg. Dito maaamoy mo yung aroma ng spices na inilagay natin. Yung cinnamon, yung ginger, cinnamon, ginger, clove. Mabango siya. Ngayon titikman ko. So perfect. Sakto lang yung alat niya. Yung alat ng white, hindi siya yung alat na iluluwa mo kasi hindi kaya ng panlasa mo. Tapos yung sa yolk niya naman, touch lang ng salt ang meron sa kanya. So just enough na yung pag kinain mo yung yolk and yung white, nagiging balance lang yung kanyang saltiness. I hope you give this a try. Masarap talaga siya. So once again, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell button para updated ka sa mga latest video tutorials ko. Thank you for watching.